I would like to double check the Kaspa targets updates with my custom maker set. The plan, guys, we're going by red plan. So you remember here in at the beginning of December, I post the video, so I'm waiting. Or like usual, it's normal, guys. We have to build a plan, 1 or 2 or even 3 plans, because when the price go in this direction, we do this. If in this direction we go and do this, or not taking action at all. That's why the people who all the time complain like, oh, you post the video with the both direction. Yes, because I have to understand what I will do. If Kaspa will go to this area, I do this. If to this area, I do this, or do nothing. So that's the point, because if you stuck to one plan, you can waste a lot of time. You can waste a lot of money. For example, you're waiting only the higher targets, and you don't know where it's your zone of interest to buy. You do something, and you just randomly just waste your stable coins with the fancy DCA strategy, buying every single knife, right? All knives. That's why, guys, we dump it to the monthly favorable gap fulfill. We tested several times, and I post this line, so it's 2 cents 81. I don't know. Several times, even here I posted it in Zone 24, even here I posted it in summer Zone 24, even here in Zone 25 I posted, because it was so obvious. So we're gonna dump it. And on a Kaspa, perfect example how the 3 drives pattern works. 1, 2, 3 on a weekly time frame. It was so obvious, so we're gonna dump it. Now, what to do? If you believe, of course, in this project, I think now it's we close the monthly fulfill. You can accumulate. Next liquidity zone is here. So, for example, you took a risk, you decided to take a risk, and you buy now at 3 cents. We drop lower to 2 cents, you do nothing. We drop to this liquidity pool on the weekly to 1 cent 11, you buy also, and your entry will be like, let's say 2 cents. After that, at 4 cents, you withdraw initial deposit and ride with the free tokens to the moon or to 0. So it's a 0 risk after that. So we go and buy a red plan and stop it here. So the red plan was not here, exactly at the monthly fulfill. So this was a logic of that plan. Next step, guys, it's still in play weekly favorable gap, liquidity pool, and yearly Zone 25 open, and this liquidity pool also. So I guess the most positive case scenario for Kaspa for this year, guys, it's a test of, I don't know, 15, maybe 14 cents, this one. Yes, maybe it's not some amazing, prediction, but this is probably what we can see for the Kaspa if we will see the continuation on the BTC downtrend to the 59, 52, or 55K. So just in case. This can be the reversal move, but not break the high, and still the downtrend structure, because now we're in downtrend structure on the weekly time frame also. All right, got it. So now we trade under 50 EMA, and 50 EMA is 5 cents 82, 100 EMA 6 cents 95. So we're ready to cross at these lines. And now on the daily, guys, the test can be, so if we already form it like impulse correction, impulse last one, and we grab that liquidity, I hope the best option for the Kaspa will be from now go directly to the test on the daily time frame to 200 EMA, because we already retested the 50 EMA, 100 EMA. The next step should be the 200 EMA on the daily. After that, test the weekly gap, and summer come back again to the monthly fulfill again. So this is a plan. Let's take a look, guys, now with indicator set. Is it good or bad to buy now the Kaspa? So this is a accumulation zone. I'm not talking about a fundamental, of these projects, guys, any project, because fundamental mean nothing. So we saw the millions example, and today I post the video where I showed you the AI, 7 AIs. Chose the best tokens for investment, and almost all of them are down like 30%. So the AI can make the best research, that's why the fundamental mean nothing. only every single token just a pure speculation. All right, so technically based on ADZ, guys, all this time period since November 75, we're in the accumulation zone, not a distribution. I have no idea, will this token be still exist in the next 2 years or not? We can't know. You can open the chart of, for example, so promising project like Chia Network. You remember this one? And everybody shill it around the green mining and all this stuff, guys. But we crashed it down, and probably maybe we'll never come back again. That's why, guys, don't be trapped with the great marketing, you know. So technically, yes, it's not a distribution zone. So add alerts and wait at the distribution zone on the weekly time frame, for example. This is accumulation based on direction indicator since October 25. So if the whales accumulate, so this is one like 5 cents and 3 cents was here, 2 cents, 5. I guess, yes, they can push the price easily to the 7 to the 10 cents. After that, they sell again. That's it. Also, take a look at the example. Not all the time the pattern is playing out. So here could be the double bottom and the size should be over than this high, for example. But it's not playing out. That's why sometimes we take an action or not, and sometimes better do nothing. All right, market smooth. This is a capitulation zone, guys. Technically, it's good time to buy. Here, I showed you we trade a long-term period in A3 zone. It was not a good entry. Here's a more than okay signals for accumulation. This is a gray zone, gray one, and it's capitulation, and the blue one, it's a disbelief. It's a good entry. Monthly, still A3. So up to you to buy or not. Also, maybe I don't know. Maybe the Kaspa can finish the ride like a Celestia. We can't know. We can't know the future, but we take an action or not. My take is I showed you. So this is a plan test this year around the 14-15 cents. So based on trade on weekly and for monthly, there is no data. Sell still no signals, just take profit. Let's add alert. Trade on, take profit. I showed you in previous videos, so we need to wait. Sometimes the take profit signal from the sales, and only after that is going to be the good entry for the spot position. And the last indicator is take profit, guys. We trade on the fundamental value, so I hope soon we will see the signal take profit. So we need to close all short position, stop selling, and start accumulate. So the fundamental value of the Kaspa now it's 4 cents 41. Take profit line it's 11.75. Exit line it's 13.30. So this is the targets. What I'm waiting this year. Lines are dynamic. That's why I gotta add alerts to the take profit line and wait. Lines can be after the few months, for example, in August 26 here at 8, or it can be tested now at 12. That's why add alert to the line, not to the some specific price. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about a Kaspa. If you'd like to trade with my customer set and add the same alerts like I did in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.